Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have here something by Wyste. It is the Titanium P3 with Zerk plates. It's got an anodization, like battle-worn anodization or something. But anyway, I bought it off the Facebook Marketplace. And I am super excited because I've been looking for this P3 for like ever. And I'm just super excited. Oh, yay. I even put out an ISO for it, and this is not from the ISO. I just got lucky. I just got really lucky getting this. This little Pez. Little Pez guy. First, let's check out the It's a custom titanium. Got the seal of authenticity. Oh, it's a 3P. I called it a P3. 3P. That's what it's called. Oh, it's so cool. Number 15. Awesome. Oh, and it comes with this cute little sticker thing, little Pez sticker. And wow, it even comes with extra magnets, extra screws, dampeners, and a little tool. It's actually bigger than I expected. Put these off to the side. Bring the Pez up close. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. So this is the battle-worn. Oh, the battle-worn anodization. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Nice and green. And then here comes a little bit of blue. My dog's going crazy with his toy, trying to murder it. Wow. This is wild. I really thought it was a lot smaller. But this is actually a good size. Because you can actually ladder with it. And if it were any smaller, it would be pretty difficult to use. Check out these Zerk plates. Plates look pretty roughed up. I think I'm gonna tape them. See if taping does any good. This is now my smallest 3-click slider, I think. I have the M-tailored, which is my smallest 4-click slider. I love to collect the small sliders. They're about the same height. Although this one is a little bit taller. I love it. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. I love this green and blue. God, it's gorgeous. Whoops. It's so pretty, it was totally worth the 100. You don't come across these like every day. And it feels nice. It feels nice and smooth. I know it said the weight on there, but I just want to weigh it anyway. $36.5. Although in here it says 32, 30, 37, 37.5. I'm missing a gram. Although maybe that's with the dampeners? I don't know. This is just like whoosh, whoosh. It's just so whoosh. Da da da. Da da da. My dog is going crazy. Da da da. Da da da. Da da. $37.4 by. Ooh, it's almost 20 grams by 12.8. Okay. But guys, it's just, it's a little Pez. I don't even like Pez candy. But the shape, I mean, you just can't. The shape is, you gotta love the shape of Pez for some reason. I don't know why, but you just have to. Ah! It's just very special. I don't know. I am so in love with this anodization. Cannot get over it. I love this blue. Blue with a little splash of yellow green. And then this wild green. Such a bright color. All right. I love it. This Pez is great. I'm afraid to take it apart. But let's bring out the metal bar. Boink, boink. And the tool. My dog is going nuts. Pa. Don't explode. All right, there we go. That is the internals. Oh, hey, there we go. Nice. Wyste and Peter. Cool. It even says number 15 on here. That's pretty neat. We got the magnets that are stuck in there. They're flush. So that's cool. I was worried that they were going to be like popping out. But nope, they are flush. Thank goodness. Alright, so now we can put it back together. Ta-da! Hiya! Give it back. Come here. Get in there. Give it back. Keeps trying to steal it. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 ah. Dun 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 ah. Dun 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 dun. Let me make sure that these are, because they were actually kind of loose, the screws. So let me tighten them on the other one. Tighten. Get back. Loose, tighten. Watcha! Click, click, click. Click, click. Alright. So, we have done pretty much everything. I love how it comes with the extra screws and the extra magnets. 2 extra screws, 2 extra magnets. Love that. So cool. Alright, so guys, do you have a 3P? Right? It's 3P, not P3. 3P. Or are you searching for one? What do you think of this little Pez guy? What are your thoughts? What do you think of this green? This green-blue anodization. What are your thoughts on it? I love it. Yeah, let's have a chat. God, it's so smooth. Anyway, distracted. Yeah. Do you have stuff from Wyste? I know that they make a lot of beads. So do you guys have stuff from Wyste? If so, what is it? Is it the Pez or the beads? And yeah, let's just have conversations in the comments. So yeah, what did you guys think of this video? I hope you guys like it, and I hope you subscribe. And I hope you guys have a fantastic day or night or whatever. I hope you guys are just being fantastic. And I will see you in the next video. Alright guys, this is the end. So, have a great one. Bye.